Hi, we'll be solving a work rate problem today. Circular gears P and Q start rotating at the same time at constant speeds. Gear P makes 10 revolutions per minute. So gear P makes 10 revolutions per minute. And gear Q makes 40 revolutions per minute. And Q makes 40 revolutions per minute. How many seconds after the gears start rotating will gear Q have made exactly 6 more revolutions than gear P? So both the gears are revolving at the same time. And we have to find after how many seconds will gear Q make exactly 6 more revolutions than gear P. So let's say we are talking about time, which is T minutes. So in T minutes, gear Q will actually do 40 multiplied by T revolutions. And in the same time, gear P, since the rate is 10 revolutions per minute, will actually do 10 into T revolutions in T minutes. Now the equation which you have to write is gear Q is actually making 6 more revolutions than gear P. So that means the revolutions done by gear Q is equal to revolutions done by gear P plus 6. So this becomes 40T is equal to 10T plus 6, or 40T minus 10T is equal to 6, or 30T is equal to 6, or T is equal to 6 by 30, or is equal to 1 by 5 minutes. But we need to find the time in seconds and not in minutes. That means we need to multiply the time in minutes with 60 to get the time in seconds as 12 seconds. So answer will be option number D. Now this problem is based on concepts of work and rate. If you want to master the theory and the problem solving art for work and rate, do check out the video provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.